In the ever-changing world of business, an organization's success depends on constantly meeting new challenges and adapting to the marketplace. I'm Greg Gumbel. From e-commerce to investing, business strategies to human resources, join me as we take a closer look inside the workings of the modern global economy. Welcome to the Economic Report. Pharmaceuticals are one of the most controversial subjects around. However, they're also an essential and beneficial part of modern medicine. Let's examine this next story.
In the race to discover and develop effective new drugs, pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies face many challenges. A lengthy R&D process, complicated regulatory filings, and a 50% success rate are just a few of them. These complications can extremely delay new drugs from reaching the public. The Blue Wine Group was created to assist in progressing academic and commercial intellectual property to later stages of value along the pharmaceutical pipeline. There are currently 3 member companies, the first of which is Cabernet Pharmaceuticals.
The customers for this service would be large pharma that have pipelines of drugs that they're moving through development. Pharmacogenetics is about the reaction of or response of a person to a drug, either with efficacy or with adverse events.
The science is expected to play an integral role in the medical industry's trend toward personalized medicine.
Pipeline pharmacogenetics is a tool that allows us to understand this individual response to medicines during the course of clinical trials, thereby reducing the uncertainty of those clinical trials.
The other 2 companies that make up the Blue Wine Group are Shiraz and Zinfandel Pharmaceuticals.
Shiraz Pharmaceuticals was established as a diagnostic commercialization company. In the process of consulting on pipeline pharmacogenetics, companion diagnostics, that is, those diagnostics which will say who will respond to a drug, who will not respond to a drug, or who has an adverse event from a drug, are found. Making them into a product that is on time and available to the development of the drug without wasting months or years is the primary job of Shiraz Pharmaceuticals.
The project structure for science and medicine offers several advantages.
There has been an increased emphasis on personalized medicine. To do that depends on getting the diagnostic or companion diagnostic that allows us to tell who's going to respond to that medicine. Both payers and patients are interested in that. The ability of taking the data that's developed within the company by Cabernet into the diagnostic commercialization so that companion diagnostic is available on time with the production of the medicine is a major advantage, and it's one of the things that gets talked about but very rarely done.
In the fall of 2008, Lilly, a leading innovation-driven corporation, formed an alliance with Cabernet Pharmaceuticals to further integrate pharmacogenetics into its drug development efforts.
Our collaboration with Cabernet Pharmaceuticals allows us to rapidly expand our capabilities to do genetic experimentations within our drug development programs.
The alliance is already proving to be successful.
Cabernet staff have been assigned to a variety of our drug development programs. Their role is to design the genetic experiments that are going to be used in our drug development activities. In addition, the project management staff are responsible for tracking the development of the designs, the sample collections, and the ultimate experimental analyses.
At the brink of every breakthrough, there are always those with doubts.
It takes 5 to 7 years to create a medicine through the FDA and through the regulatory process. In order to do that, there has to be a proof of concept. Pharmacogenetics will help show that this is a drug that should go on to the next steps. And as it goes further through that steps, it becomes more and more targeted for the population who would be expected to respond.